this problem. Well, I have a lot of problems, but this one might be common with a lot of women. Have you ever noticed in my videos, I'm not wearing any earrings? That's because I have an allergy to metal. Minutes after wearing earrings, my ears become irritated and red and I have to immediately take them out, and I can't wear earrings for days. It's such a bummer because I think I have really pretty ears. One of my subscribers started her own jewelry company called Mira that caters to women exactly like me. Her jewelry line is metal-free and amazing. I'm so happy to be sent a pair from her, and now she wants to do a giveaway. I get to pick 5 lucky winners that can choose 1 pair of earrings from her website. Sorry, but this is only USA residents. The link is down below for the website. Just let me know in the comments down below if you like a pair of earrings, and I'll randomly pick the winners in a week. You can comment as many times as you like. I hope everyone is having a great day, and I'll see you guys soon.